Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are making a very tasty and easy recipe, that is Maggie Cutlet or Maggie Pakoda. For that we need 2 packets of Maggie और यहाँ पे मेरा Maggie पहले से बना हुआ है. Just make sure कि this shouldn't be juicy, ये थोड़ा stiff होना चाहिए. और इसमें now I'll add 1 chopped onion and now some green chilies and 1/3 tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of coriander powder or dhania powder and red chilies as per your taste. So we'll mix it. Just make sure आप इसको इतना ज़्यादा मिक्स ना करें कि इसका strands ही ना दिखे, because those should be visible, then only it will give a feel of Maggie cutlet. So our mixture is ready and अभी इसका हम shape बनाएंगे. We'll give it a shape like this. So यहाँ पैन में I have taken 2-3 spoons of oil and उसमें we are keeping it. We don't need much oil for this, so this would be a bit healthy. So we can see its color is changing. So we'll take them out and we can see this color. Yeah, so our tasty and very easy Maggie cutlets are ready, so you can serve them and enjoy.